Here's how to equip 3 hairs on Roblox. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and go to Chrome Web Store. And from here, simply search for BT Roblox. Go ahead and install this extension in your Chrome. And once it is installed, open roblox.com and log into your account. This extension is safe and free. And after the installation of the extension, the user interface should change slightly, indicating the extension is working. Now go to your avatar section, which is in the left-hand side of the screen between the connect and inventory option. Then after, tap on head and body, that is between accessories and animation. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and tap on the hair. To equip multiple hairs, simply click on each one you want to add. You can equip as many as you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.